Alright guys, welcome to a different video. So I am out with Flipside RC. He's got his Exo, and as you can see he's got his jconcepts. And I've also got new rubber. I have now got the Element Ecto tyres, so I've got the general grubbers on there. So Steve has kindly lent me them. So I'm going to try them on there because my tyres were absolutely shocking last time I was out. But one thing I did notice the last time I was out, I was actually running open diffs. They was not locked. So the last video you would have seen, and it wouldn't perform. A lot of it was down to the tyres, but a lot of it was also down to the fact that I was running open diffs. It was my fault. I put the wrong channel in the receiver, so instead of it being locked diffs, it was actually the 2-speed transmission. But that's now rectified, so don't worry about that. But we are here at Bradgate Park once again, but we are at the old John side. So this is our favourite side. It's got more lines to go at. There's plenty more lines for us to find, and we are about to go find them. So stay tuned. Let's go.
So that's how they were on the Exo. Remember, you used to like grab and then it would spin and it would just catch. Yeah, that's better now, isn't it? Look at that, that's a difference already. Now it's WD coming off.
Oh, up your ass. Look at that, both of them making set up, no problem at all.
So, difference is straight away.
Yep.
You can almost feel it slipping on there. It looks so
Even goes sideways, look at that.
I'll try a bit of side.
No rock, no roll. Oh, is she moving?
Let's try a bit
She's
of
sliding, look, she's sliding slowly. But guys, let me see if I can get you an angle perspective, look at that. That's the angle she's at. Look at that, on top of the peak. Alright guys, that's the difference between lock diffs and semi-decent tyres. They're far better than them bloody stock FTX ones. There you go, look, even the Exo can do it as well, look. Easy 45-degree angle.
I'm going to try and push it a bit more. What do you reckon down here?
It's not going straight up like that, guys, look, it's going sideways.
Pushing me luck here, isn't I?
Go on. Oh, she's going slowly, she's going. Ah, lucky.
That's pushing it too much. Try and get it from here. It's like the steepest part of it, really, isn't it?
Yeah. It is literally the steepest part and the smoothest.
Them tyres make so much difference.
Fusion motor? What fusion motor? Look at that. Say what guys, that first challenge for the Ecto with the jconcept tyres.
Awesome.
What challenge? There ain't no challenge.
Just eats it, doesn't it?
Wouldn't be so bad, we've not even got a fusion motor in there. That's still stock reading motor.
That's the first thing people say, oh, get rid of the motor out of it. Stick your hand in the back.
What? Ah, get over. Look guys, it's slipping slightly. If them tyres are dry, but you can notice now they are a little bit wet, which is a bit of a pain. Back one's got a bit of mud on it. Oh, why did I keep going? I should have stopped and it would have been alright.
We'll get it there.
Should we find out? Second gear.
Just get a bit more wheel speed, just get past that first part. I wouldn't drop that, we'll get up that bit. Just his first bit.
Oh yeah, fucking it's a bit violent in reverse. Alright, let's try the first gear. Oh god, look at that! J-concept power, baby.
Oh. I need to get over there, back tipping it down, don't I?
Guys, this bit here is quite steep as well, actually, to be fair, and if you can tell by the shine on the rocks here, it's very slippery. Alright, we know it's got to there, so let's put a hand of God there. Let's see if we can't get over.
Yeah, this has almost got like a curl effect to this rock. It's that slippy, isn't it?
Yeah. This is actually volcanic rock as well, guys, so you can actually see the layers in it, which I think is actually pretty cool. You can try and bridge it up there.
That is steep, isn't it? That's
yeah.
Really steep.
But it's shiny, that's the problem. Oh. Alright guys, next line, here we go. Which way to go, left or right? I'm going to try and go left.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Try and go straight to
like that. Oh no, my rear pumpkin's stuck on the rock. My rear pumpkin's stuck. There you go. Ooh. There you go.
That's it. That's suspension working.
Articulation.
Exo time. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear in the video, guys, I've got like a little whine to the motor now. Might be my motor trying to tell me it needs to go and put fusion in it.
There you go. Tell you what else, this Exo is so narrow. The lines are almost like easy for it.
I was going for the impossible.
I was about to say this line's a bit tricky.
A lot trickier.
Bump it up there. Oh, didn't anticipate that big rock there with a sharp face on it.
You want Jack to knock me up it now. That's a steep pass, that is.
Come on, get it there. There you go. I was about to say, don't go straight up there because even I couldn't get up that bit. That bit is pure sharp. Alright guys, if you remember, this is the famous rock where the Gladius and the Rift had a bit of a competition. Now it's time for the Gladius and the Ecto. Both got wet wheels, both got slightly muddy. So let's see if we can get them up there.
The tyres are definitely wet.
Look at that.
I don't know.
I got it the wrong side though.
Burn the water off the tyres.
She's getting there, the tyres are getting drier.
There is a bit of residue on the grass still, it's still fairly early in the morning. So.
Alright, let's try a second gear. Ooh. Oh, nearly. Oh, no.
Just a bit cold, isn't it?
Can I do it in reverse? No.
I think mine might even struggle, to be fair. Yeah. Once you get wet on them little eyes, it's...
Yeah, so even wet tyres, even with the jconcepts.
Yeah.
But again, these rocks are shiny, guys. These are volcanic rocks.
And it is cold.
They've had hundreds and thousands of years to get shiny.
You can see the water on the rocks off our tyres there.
Guys, look, bit of training up this hill, make it up towards Old John. Try and attempt that bit just right of that brick wall, so head towards the archway bit. That should be quite challenging. So Ecto and Gladius, off we go. So guys, this will be interesting to see how portal axles do against straight axles. Although the straight axles do have better rubber on, so this should be interesting. And it's lower and it's more narrow. whereas I've got the wider axle X's on mine.
Sit down, you. Come on.
Front wheel just a drop.
Are you going straight ahead?
Go wherever you want, mate, I'm following you. Just go left and go up towards the hill.
All that way?
Yeah, if you want.
That's what I was going to be doing in the winter anyway, mate. A bit of training.
Yep. Got to love a bit of training. That's what I get for not looking where I'm going. Guys, if we roll or fall from here, it is a long way down.
I think we might have to keep going that way.
You reckon, yeah?
I think so.
I'll tell you what I might do. I don't know if it'll do it. Go down this way and back up this way.
Down this hill?
Yeah.
I don't know. Bit of a drop there, guys. If it falls, it's got a nasty roll off there. That's a big drop. As you can see down there, guys.
Saved by the camera. Oh, look at that, stuck right in the back. You can't see it from my angle, just how steep this is. So if you head over to the flip side channel, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm trying to do. Stay up, stay up. There you go. Don't let me down now. Yes, there we go.
Nice work out.
Not bad sound doing it one-handed either, you know what I mean?
Oh, good.
Look at articulation on that bad boy.
Nice. Look at the tyres, look. Wet through.
General grabbers doing what they need to do.
Even I was like, I'm not sure about going down there. Just like, yeah, we're doing it, we're doing it. I feel you get them fucking logs out there, innit? Them logs out. I've even never spotted that.
Where can I go from here? Little
You get trapped there, yeah.
Yeah. Little did you know that, lad. You just see his head bounce at the top of the hill. He wants to fly a drone, be not loud. The ranger will come and we'll have you.
Oh, well, I know from experience because I've tried it.
Yeah, so have I.
I lasted 10 minutes. Jammed in here. Spin it because that's
look, I'm stuck in my belly pad. There that guy, look. Proper hooked up there. Alright guys, that is it for us today at Bradgate Park. General grabbers have done pretty good, to be fair. It's done some gnarly lines. And nearly I thought I was going to tip over on that wall bit, but it made the line, so I'm pleased with that. But at the moment it is getting cold. It's still damp, but it is what it is. So from me, it's the flip side. Memorial at Old John Tower. Guys, I'm out. Catch you next one.